Welcome to Chapter 5, the final lesson of our first module. By now, you've got the director's mindset, you are using the S.E.A.S formula, and your vocabulary is razor sharp. But let's talk about the most frustrating moment in AI video generation. You run the perfect prompt, you wait for the render, and the result is 90% a masterpiece, but 10% a disaster. Maybe the lighting is gorgeous, but the camera moved too fast, or the subject looks amazing, but they are walking backwards. Your instinct is going to be to delete the whole prompt and start over. Today, we learn the art of iteration. When you are on a real movie set and the actor nails the emotional dialogue, but the lighting rig falls over, the director doesn't fire the actor and rewrite the script. They just feed the light and go again for take 2. You need to do the same thing in VO3. We call this the one variable rule. AI models are incredibly sensible to text. If you change 3 or 4 words in your prompt, VO3 assumes you want a completely different concept and will generate an entire new scene. If you want to keep the vibe of your generation but fix a specific error, you must isolate the problem and change only the variable that caused it. Let's look at our S.E.A.S formula in action. A tattooed barista wearing a denim apron in a cozy sunlight hipster cafe, pouring a delicate swan latte art into a ceramic cup, shot on 50mm lens, fast dynamic drone orbit, shallow depth of field. The subject, environment, and action look fantastic, but the camera movement, it's making me dizzy. The style variable is broken. If I rewrite the whole prompt to say, a guy making coffee slowly in a nice cafe, I lose the tattoo, the denim, and the sunlight. Instead, I apply the one variable rule. I leave the subject, environment, and action completely untouched, and I only edit the style. I change fast dynamic drone orbit to slow, steady push in on a tripod. Boom! We keep the 90% that was working and fix that 10% that wasn't. That is iteration. Here is your exercise for today to master the one variable rule. Step 1. Write a S.E.A.S prompt and generate a video. For example, a golden retriever running through a snowy forest, slow motion tracking shot, bright midday sun. Step 2. Look at your result. Decide on one thing you want to change. Maybe you want it to be nighttime instead of daytime. Step 3. Reroll the prompt, but change only the environment lighting variable. Keep every single other word exactly the same. Notice how the core DNA of the video stays intact, but your specific direction changes the scene. Congratulations! You've just graduated from Module 1. You now have the foundational mechanics to direct VO3 like a pro. Starting on the next video, in Module 2, we are going to deep dive into the subject. I'm going to show you how to cast the perfect characters, control the outfits, and force the AI to maintain their consistency. See you in the director's chair.